welcome back. I'm Pearl and today I'm going to show you my current favorites, the things that I've been loving for the last few months, and I'm going to just talk a little bit about them and let you know where I found them and where you may be able to find them too. The first thing I want to show you guys was my chandelier. I bought this drum chandelier from Wayfair. It was around the $250 price mark. I did spend a little bit for it, but I really love how it looks. I really saved up for this chandelier, and I really took my time in choosing something that I thought that would elevate the room. We did have a crystal chandelier, but it was a plastic crystal, so it wasn't real crystal, and brass chandelier before, but I'm really liking how this silver and real crystal chandelier looks along with the drum. It gives it a modern vibe and also still looks elegant, so I'm really loving how this is looking. The next thing I want to show you guys was my whiteboard that I have at my front door as part of my command center for the kids. So I added recently this whiteboard, and I bought it from Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada, and it cost $4, but it was cheaper than if you say get it off of Amazon or Walmart. So I love this. It's from the board dudes, and it comes with the dry erase marker and a spot to hook your marker in, and I really like, you know, it has the date for the week and then your Monday through Sunday. This board is mainly used for my kids, basically just primarily used for my kids. So whatever they have going on for the week gets put on this board, and they know to come and check it and then put their things in their bags appropriately or get the things ready for the next day. The next thing that I have for you guys has to do with health and beauty. So I'm going to show you this perfume. It's by Pinrose, and this is a brand that is an organic perfume brand, and it's made by top designers in the perfume industry. So it is a brand that's organic, and a lot of times that you find organic perfumes, they do use mineral oils, but I find with this one, it's a very good mix, and they do have other ones in the line, the Pinrose line as well. They have a rose, which they do call Pinrose. They have you know, lots of different scents that you don't have to exactly get this one. But I really found this one to be subtle. I get a headache with really strong perfumes. I think it's something I inherited from my mom because she gets headaches with really strong perfumes. So this is one that I can stand. I really recommend it to you guys. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this manicure set. So it looks like this, and it's a manicure set. It comes in a pouch. I really like it because it's great for, you know, if I want to take it on the go. And it's Dre Schwerter Three Swords. I wasn't familiar with this brand, but my husband bought this for me at Christmas time. And I've never really had a dedicated manicure set, you know, that was all put together. I just pieced mine together, and I just buy my pieces from Walmart or wherever, and it worked. But I gotta say, after trying this manicure set, I don't think I can go back to those because this is really high quality. It's good. I think it was made in Germany, and it's just really, really good quality. When I cut my nails with this, it's like cutting my nails at a salon. So, which I haven't done often, but when I did notice a difference. So I love this so much. So it has the big nail clippers, and then it has the cuticle scissors. Then it has the small nail clippers and the cuticle tool, you know, to push your cuticle back. Then a pair of tweezers and scissors, nail scissors, and then another tool, I guess, to clean under your nails, and then the nail file. Now, the only thing I have to say is that the nail file works really good, but it does let go a little bit of black onto your nail. It doesn't stay or anything like that, but it's sort of like a cross between the emery board and a metal file, and I really like the metal files. So, but it does work really well. Okay, the next thing I have here is this Pacifica nail polish. It's like an iridescent color. I bought this from my health food store, so I'm not sure I could find it online, but it's in the color unicorn horn. I really like the way it looks on my nails. It's a very natural color, but it enhances your nails. And I believe I paid $7.99 for it, so it wasn't expensive at all. If you do have a health food store and they have it, you can wait until sort of like they're at the almost at the end of the season, and they'll like be clearing out those colors, and they tend to go on sale then. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is my jewelry. So I have this beautiful necklace that I bought from Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a Joe Fresh necklace, and I just really love it. It's really beautiful. I'll see if I can show you guys there. And it had the earrings to it. It didn't come as a set. I did have to buy them separately. And it also had a set of bracelets that I also bought separately, and these are all from Joe Fresh, and I am wearing one of them here. So I really like this one, and I like the tennis bracelet here. But it's really nice. You could wear them all together, and you know, it would look something kind of like this, and I really like that look too, as a more casual look. The next thing I want to show you guys is this bracelet. It's not something I bought. I made this bracelet myself. Recently I've gotten into jewelry making. I still do buy my pieces like this one, like I said, but I really like this one. I like the color. I got this string of beads at Walmart. So if I can find the link for it, I will link it down below. But I'm really loving that piece. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys, and I showed you guys this in my last favorites, but I really do love this Burts Bees BB cream. It's 99.9% natural, and I just love the way this goes on. Like, it provides such a light sheer coverage, but it covers you really well. And like I said in the last video, it goes on a little bit chalky at first, but within like a half an hour or so, once, at least for me, because I have dry combination skin, so I have dry skin, and then within a half an hour my skin starts to get oils, like it starts producing natural oils after I've washed my face, and then the oils will then mix with the product, and then it starts to look really natural. I'm wearing it right now so you guys can see. The next thing that I want to show you guys is the Burts Bees, and I believe I showed this as well in my last favorites video, but this Burts Bees watermelon, I love this. It does give you a tingly sensation though when you put it on. It's a lip shimmer, and if you're not into like that tingling, minty tingling kind of sensation, then don't get this. Also too, if I believe that tingling is to plump your lips up, so if you really don't want that, then this may not be for you, but I don't mind. So, and I like the color, so the color is very pink and natural looking on me, and I believe I bought this for $6.99 or $7.99, so not expensive at all, and you can find this in your local drugstore or at Walmart. I also found it at Loblaws. And then I also have the Burts Bees Plum color. That's what I'm wearing today, and I really do like this color when I want my, you know, I want a color to show, but it's still a really good color for me. Okay, then the last thing I want to show you guys is this Covergirl eyeshadow palette that I bought from the drugstore, so Shoppers Drug Mart. You can find it anywhere, I believe, but I really do like this palette on my skin tone, which is a medium brown skin tone. It's got a champagne color and the browns, but I mostly use the highlighter and the brown here, as you can see. Sometimes I use the crease one, these ones for the crease, but for the most part I mostly use those two colors from it. Also, this is not natural. This is not a natural or organic product, as you guys well know, but I do have a few eyeshadows that are natural, but for now, I'm liking this color. Until I can find this particular color in the naturals or the organic, I decided to kind of try this out. So that's kind of something I do with my makeup when I want to try a different color. I'll go to the drugstore and find a color, you know, just play around with certain colors and, you know, buy it, bring it home, play with it. And if it is a color that I really like, then I'll try to find it, you know, in the natural makeup. Usually the natural makeup and organic makeup is sold online, so I can't try it on, and that way it makes it more difficult. So I do it this way so that I have an idea if the color will look good on me. Now sometimes it is a hit and miss, but a lot of times it does work out. So that's it, guys. That's my current favorites. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I am liking. As I said, I'm going to try to link everything down in the description box below so you can take a look there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of my latest videos. Take care, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.